You're at your desk, coffee in hand, ready to knock out the morning. You open your laptop, and there it is. Smudges, dust, fingerprints, a mystery smear from last Tuesday. You squint, you tilt the screen, you lean in a little. Now you're working harder than you should just to see what you're doing. Most people look at dirty screens and think, I'll wipe it off later. What they don't realize is that their brain is already dealing with it right now, whether they want to or not. Today we're covering why a dirty screen is quietly draining your productivity, what the science says about visual clutter in your brain, and 3 simple screen cleaning tips to get it cleaner so you have sharper focus starting today. Here's what's happening in your head when your screen is a mess. Every smudge, every smear, every dust particle sitting between you and your work is visual noise, and your brain doesn't ignore visual noise. It processes it constantly in the background, competing with the actual task you're trying to focus on. Think of it like trying to have a conversation at a loud party. You can do it, but you're burning a lot of extra energy just cutting through the noise. That's what a dirty screen does to your focus all day long. A 2011 study published in the Journal of Neuroscience titled Interactions of Top-Down and Bottom-Up Mechanisms in Human Visual Cortex from researchers at Princeton University Neuroscience Institute found that multiple competing stimuli in your visual field, meaning anything your eye picks up that isn't your primary focus, actively suppresses your brain's ability to concentrate. The crud on your screen isn't just blurring the pixels. It's pulling processing power away from your work. Your visual cortex is stuck refereeing a fight between what you're trying to see and everything getting in the way of it. Clean that up, and your brain stops wasting energy on the noise. Here's 3 tips that take about 2 minutes total to get a clean screen and recover some mental energy you've been spending so you can spend it on something useful. Number 1, get the right cleaner. I discovered Whoosh Screen Cleaner years ago at the Apple Genius Bar and have been using it ever since. It's alcohol-free, safe for all screens, laptops, monitors, phones, tablets, and it's the best stuff I've ever used. Links in the show notes. A dirty screen is a focus killer. The right cleaner is a focus restorer. Number 2, clean it more often than you think you need to. Once a week is a solid minimum. If you eat at your desk or work in a dusty space, bump it up every few days. You know that moment you look at your friend's laptop screen and wonder how they can see anything through all that buildup? Don't let that screen be yours. And number 3, pair it with a habit you already have. Clean your screen when you shut down your computer at the end of the week. It takes 90 seconds, and you'll sit down Monday morning to a sharp, clear display so your brain can get straight to work. We spend thousands of dollars on monitors, laptops, and displays trying to be more productive. Then we let a layer of grime quietly undo it all. Small things that sit in your line of sight all day, every day, they add up. Wipe it down, clear the clutter. Let your brain focus on what actually matters. Your move.